So what happened here?
We had a little boo-boo.
We heard a noise when we were pulling out of a gas station. It was like one of our sway bars came off, and now it's just wedged under the jack.
It's bent the jack some. The foot is wedged on this side. I wonder if I can push it all the way over that way. Now I can't do anything with it. So when this was up under there, wedged up under that jack, this front part was like this. It's putting pressure this way. So even if you can pull that pin, it ain't gonna come out of there. You know what I mean? It was hitting here and there.
And it bent that. Great. I can't see it with this camera. And whatever happened bent the brace. Not bent, it moved the brace.
Be careful with gas stations. Have a big dip with these sway bars. Looks like it hit the sway bar, and then when we turned, it wedged the sway bar up under the jack. So luckily this thing moved where it pops, and it all stayed together. It would have been a precarious situation otherwise.
So now you got to take that off or reposition that and tighten it back up?
Yeah, well I just gotta loosen it and tighten it. If you hear a big bump, a weird noise coming from behind you, always pull over and check it out at the first chance you get, because you never know. It could be save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars going down the road.
I know. The best case scenario is nothing's wrong.
Yeah, and I gotta say the amount of torque that was probably placed on that jack and it still works fine is just amazing. These jacks are tough. I'm impressed. I really thought I was gonna like torque it the shaft or something, but awesome.